Hi all, this is Sandhya, Associate Professor in EC Department from BVC Engineering College, Autonomous. Now we'll discuss about a problem on double-ended clipper. Now the problem is given like this. Draw the output waveform for the circuit shown with the ramp input increasing up to 75 volts. So here the circuit diagram is given with the 1 kilo ohm resistor, the diode D1 which is forward biased with 50 volts and diode D2 with reverse biased with 25 volts. Now we have to draw the output waveform for the given input signal. For the given input signal, first we will draw the input signal based on the given specification. Here the specification is the input is a ramp input with increasing up to 75 volts. So what is the input signal here? It is a ramp signal. As we know, the ramp signal means, so it is increasing linearly. So up to which voltage it is increases? From the given point of view, it is increases up to 75 volts. So this is the input signal. So for this input signal, we have to draw the output for the corresponding given circuit. So as the two diodes are present here, D1 and D2, for one diode we are having the two conditions whether it is on and off. For the second diode also two conditions on and off. So totally for this circuit operation there are four conditions are applied for both the diodes of D1 and D2. Here the two conditions are on first reference voltage of 50 volts and the second two conditions are on second reference voltage of 25 volts. Now the four conditions are like this here. As the first condition is Vi less than 25 and Vi greater than 25. These are the two conditions. And for the second reference voltage of 50 volts, the two conditions are Vi less than 50 and Vi greater than 50. These are the two conditions. So totally there are four conditions for the two diodes. We are going to minimize these four conditions into as a 3, and the first condition is Vi less than 25, same as it is I am going to write. So the first condition is same as it is, Vi less than 25, and observe the second condition here, Vi greater than 25. What is the meaning of this one? Input voltage is more when compared to 25 volts. And observe the third condition, input voltage is less when compared to 50 volts. So I am going to combine these second condition and third condition as a 25 less than Vi less than 50. In such a way I am going to combine these two cases into a single case, and the fourth condition is same as it is, that is Vi greater than 50. So the four conditions will be minimized into Vi less than 25 and 25 less than Vi less than 50 and Vi greater than 50. So now within these three conditions we have to check the operation of this double-ended clipper for the given input signal of a ramp signal. Now let us start the circuit operation with the first case, that is Vi less than 25. So the first condition is Vi less than 25. We will take the condition here now. Vi less than 25. So when Vi less than 25, it is passing through the resistor R to the diode anode of D1 whereas cathode of D2. Now let us check the conditions for diode D1 and D2. For diode D1, cathode is connected to 50 volts. For diode D2, anode is connected to 25 volts. Now the condition is on 25 volts. So what is the condition here? 25 volts is more when compared to input voltage. That means input voltage is less. That less input voltage is connected to anode of D1 whereas cathode of D2. As we know, the diode is a non-condition if it has a more voltage at anode terminal when compared to cathode terminal, then only it is in on condition. Now here less than 25 volts, it is connected to anode of diode D1 and cathode of diode D2. So both the, now here diode D1 is in off condition since anode is connected to less than 25 and cathode is connected to 50. So it is acting as open circuit. It is acting as open circuit. Whereas coming to diode D2, anode is connected to 25 whereas cathode is connected through resistor to the condition Vi less than 25. So cathode voltage is less than 25 whereas anode voltage is 25. So the diode D2 is in on condition. So it is acting as a short circuit. So the equivalent circuit is shown below. Now the equivalent circuit for the diode D1 is in off condition and D2 is in on condition as shown below here. So as the D1 is in off condition, it is acting as open circuit. D2 is in on condition, it is acting as short circuit. So the output voltage is voltage across the short circuited terminal, that is 25 volts. So for the first condition of Vi less than 25, output voltage is nothing but 25 volts. Let us go for the second condition, that is input voltage is in between 25 less than Vi less than 50. So for the second case of 25 less than Vi less than 50. So now we will apply that condition on the circuit diagram here. So what is the condition tells here? The input voltage is in between 25 volts and 50 volts. What is the meaning of this one? Input voltage is more than 25 and less than 15 volts. Now that voltage is connected through the resistor to anode of D1 whereas cathode of D2. Now what is the voltage? This voltage is in between 25 and 50. Now the cathode voltage of D1 is at 50 volts such that anode voltage is less when compared to cathode voltage, such that D1 diode is in off condition. So once it is in off condition, it is acting as a open circuit. Now coming to the second diode D2 condition here. Anode of D2 is connected to 25 volts whereas cathode is connected to 25 and 50 in between. So cathode voltage is more than 25 whereas anode voltage is 25. So the diode is in reverse bias, so it is acting as a half open circuit. So the equivalent circuit diagram for these two diodes are in off condition as shown. So for the condition of 25 less than Vi less than 50, the circuit diagram is shown here. So because of the two diodes D1 and D2 are in open circuit, so these are acting as open circuit and the circuit diagram. So now what is the output voltage here? Since these two are open circuit, so the output voltage is same as that of input voltage. So therefore V0 is equal to Vi under the conditions of D1 and D2, both two are in off condition. Now we will discuss about the condition for the third case, that is Vi greater than 50. So what is the meaning of this one? Vi greater than 50, input voltage is more than 50 volts. Now more than 50 volts input voltage is connected to 1 kilo ohm resistor to the anode of D1. Now within the condition of Vi greater than 50, so that means input voltage is more than 50, that is connected to 1 kilo ohm resistor to anode of D1 whereas cathode of D2. Now the diode D1 cathode is connected to 50 volts. What is the anode voltage? Anode voltage is based on the condition it is more than 50. So anode voltage is more than 50 and cathode voltage is 50 such that diode D1 is in on condition. D1 is in on condition. Now coming to the diode D2 here. So what is the D2 diode operation? Diode D2 anode is connected to 25 whereas cathode is connected to through the resistor 1 kilo ohm, it is connected to input voltage. What is the input condition? Vi greater than 50. Input voltage is more than 50, but here cathode is connected to more than 50 whereas anode is connected to 25. So the diode is in off condition, it is reverse bias off condition. So the equivalent circuit diagram is shown. The equivalent circuit for Vi greater than 50 is shown. Since the diode D1 is in on condition, so it is short circuited. D2 is in off condition, it is open circuit. So the output voltage is voltage across the short circuited terminal, that is 50 volts. So the output voltage is 50 volts. Let us draw the truth table for these three conditions. What are these three conditions? The first condition is Vi less than 25 and the second condition is 25 less than Vi less than 50 and the third condition is just now we learned Vi greater than 50. It is Vi greater than 50. Now what are the cases here? Here the case is, first case is what about the diode D1, the second case is what about the diode D2 and output. So within the first case Vi less than 25, the condition is diode D1 is off whereas D2 is on and the output voltage is 25 volts and the output voltage is 25 volts. The second condition, Vi is in between 25 and 50 volts. Vi is in between 25 and 50 volts. What are the conditions here? Both the two diodes are in off condition such that output voltage is same as that of input voltage. And the third condition, Vi greater than 50. Within that condition, diode D1 is in on whereas diode D2 is in off and the output voltage is equal to 50.